Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are just on the way to drop the SI off to get a HPD Lip Kit and the black Honda badges. So I'm going to jump into the car now and do a quick walk around, and then once we pick the car up and when it's finished, we will do another walk around so you guys can check the car out before and after the HPD Lip Kit and the black Honda and Civic badges and the black HPD badge. But right now, as you guys know, the car is sitting on Swift lowering springs, and we are on the Enkei TS5s, and this is how the car currently sits. I'm super happy with it. Wheels look awesome against the orange, in my opinion, the matte bronze. So the lip kit is actually like a gloss black, same with the side skirts and the rear. So really it should tie in with the mirrors, since those are black, and the black spoiler. So it should tie everything in pretty nicely, in my opinion. And the diffuser goes right about here. That's gloss black as well. So super excited for it. This is going to complete the exterior look for me anyway. I'll probably leave it alone exterior wise for a while after that. I don't like to do anything too crazy, so I like to keep it pretty simple, kind of like an OEM plus look, which I think this HPD kit will give it and really set it off. So anyway guys, we're gonna head to the Honda dealership, drop the car off, because I bought the kit when I bought the car. So we'll get it to Honda, and once it's done, I'll bring you guys back and we can take a look. Anyway guys, I will see you in a bit. Alright guys, we are back. HPD kit is on, black badges are on, everything's done now, and super excited. Car looks awesome in my opinion. So let's jump out and you guys can take a look. So HPD side skirts ties in good with the black spoiler, black Civic badge, Honda badge, HPD badge, Honda HPD diffuser. So yeah, the HPD Lip Kit black, it literally ties in with everything. Side skirt, these come like that from the factory, it's not part of the kit. So it kind of ties everything in nicely. Like here's the HPD front lip, black Honda badge, and front lip. This looks fucking awesome. It really ties everything together. The front lip, the side skirt, the rear diffuser, the black badges in the front, the Civic badges, the black Honda badges. And I think if I would have went with black wheels, it would have kind of taken away from it. It would blend in too much, so I'm glad I went with the bronze. But this has everything tied together nicely. It looks awesome. I'm probably going to leave it like this exterior wise. Kind of going for like the OEM plus look, which I think we achieved now. Now we are going to work on strictly more power. So intercooler, front pipe, full exhaust, water meth, since we don't have ethanol here in Canada, unless you're in BC. I know there's 2 stations there, water meth, and 271. We need a W2 turbo. Skip the W1, we want a W2 turbo for this 11th gen Civic SI. Anyway guys, this is how it looks. These are, I think, must-have mods for any 11th gen owner. Get the HPD kit, get a set of springs. Yeah, you could probably get away without the, like, you probably really don't need the wheels, but like, I'd say 2 things you must have is a HPD Lip Kit and the black badges. It looks awesome. I'm super happy with this. I'm stoked. Front lip, rear diffuser, side skirts, the black badges, everything, it just ties the whole package together so nice. So nice, with especially with the wheels and just the slight drop. It's only an inch all around. It just completes the look. Put in the comments below, what do you guys think about this HPD kit for the 11th gens? Make sure to like, share, subscribe. All those things help. I'll catch you on the next one.